Think about this. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that one of the biggest wealth creation opportunities of this decade has been sitting right in front of you the entire time. Most people think artificial intelligence is only for programmers, technology companies, and highly educated experts. They believe AI is something distant from their daily lives, something too complex to understand, and something that cannot realistically help them earn money. That belief is exactly why so many people are missing one of the greatest opportunities available today. Right now, thousands of ordinary people around the world are using AI tools to create businesses, generate income streams, improve productivity, attract clients, build audiences, and position themselves for financial growth. Among the AI tools attracting massive attention is Claude AI. While many people are still debating whether artificial intelligence is useful, others are quietly learning how to use it as a powerful assistant that helps them achieve results faster than ever before. The reality is that wealth has always followed leverage. Every generation has had a tool that allowed a small group of people to produce more value than everyone else. During the Industrial Revolution, machines multiplied human effort. During the Internet Revolution, websites multiplied business reach. Today, artificial intelligence is multiplying knowledge work. People who understand how to use this leverage effectively may gain a significant advantage over those who ignore it. Before we go further, it is important to understand one thing. Claude AI itself does not magically deposit money into your bank account. No AI tool can guarantee wealth. The people generating income with AI are not succeeding because they discovered a secret button. They are succeeding because they are combining human creativity, problem-solving, persistence, and strategy with the speed and capabilities of artificial intelligence. This distinction matters because many people approach AI with unrealistic expectations. They expect instant riches. They expect zero effort. They expect a machine to do everything while they sit back and watch money appear. That mindset usually leads to disappointment. The people who benefit most from AI are those who view it as an amplifier of their abilities rather than a replacement for effort. Think about the average person today. Many spend hours every week searching for information, writing messages, creating documents, planning projects, learning new skills, or solving routine problems. What if those tasks could be completed in a fraction of the time? What if the time saved could be redirected toward creating value, serving customers, building businesses, or developing expertise? That is where AI becomes powerful. One of the first ways people are using Claude AI to create income is through content creation. The modern internet rewards creators who consistently produce useful content. Blogs, newsletters, YouTube channels, educational platforms, and social media pages all require a constant flow of ideas and information. Many aspiring creators struggle because they spend too much time staring at blank screens. Claude AI can help organize ideas, create outlines, improve writing quality, brainstorm topics, and accelerate research. Instead of spending an entire day developing a content plan, creators can often generate structured frameworks within minutes. This does not mean publishing whatever AI produces without review. Successful creators add their own experiences, insights, stories, and unique perspectives. The AI helps with efficiency, while the creator provides authenticity. Consider someone starting a YouTube channel about personal finance. They may need topic ideas, video outlines, research summaries, thumbnail concepts, descriptions, and audience engagement strategies. Claude AI can assist with each of these tasks. The creator can then focus more energy on recording videos, improving presentation skills, and building relationships with viewers. Over time, valuable content attracts attention. Attention can lead to advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing opportunities, digital product sales, consulting services, and brand partnerships. The AI is not creating wealth directly. Instead, it helps the creator produce value more efficiently, increasing the likelihood of success. Another major opportunity involves freelance services. Businesses constantly need help with writing, research, marketing, customer communication, project planning, and information organization. Many freelancers are discovering that AI allows them to complete projects faster while maintaining quality standards. Imagine a freelance writer who previously spent 10 hours creating a report. By using AI to accelerate research and organization, the same project might require significantly less time. The freelancer can serve more clients, increase productivity, and potentially grow revenue. The key is not replacing expertise, but enhancing it. The same principle applies to marketing consultants. A consultant who understands customer psychology can use AI to generate campaign ideas, analyze messaging, and improve content strategies. Because the consultant still provides judgment and decision-making, the final output remains valuable. The AI simply removes much of the repetitive workload. Perhaps one of the most overlooked opportunities is education. We live in a world where valuable knowledge can be monetized. People pay for courses, coaching, guides, workshops, memberships, and specialized information. Yet many experts never share what they know because creating educational materials feels overwhelming. Claude AI can assist with lesson planning, curriculum design, content structuring, workbook creation, and explanation development. Someone with expertise in fitness, business, language learning, technology, or career development can use these capabilities to organize knowledge into products that help others. Notice a recurring pattern. The people benefiting from AI are usually not selling AI itself. Instead, they use AI to improve the process of delivering value. They identify a problem. They develop a solution. They use AI to accelerate execution. The market rewards the value they create. There is another important lesson hidden inside this trend. Many people focus on earning more money while ignoring productivity. Yet productivity is often the foundation of higher income. When you become capable of producing more valuable work in less time, opportunities begin to multiply. Employers notice, clients notice, audiences notice, business partners notice. AI tools are creating a new category of workers who operate with extraordinary efficiency. These individuals can accomplish tasks that previously required teams. They can learn faster, test ideas faster, and respond to market changes faster. This advantage becomes increasingly important in a competitive digital economy. However, there is a danger that many people fail to recognize. Technology alone is not enough. Throughout history, new technologies have created both winners and losers. The winners are usually those who learn quickly, adapt continuously, and focus relentlessly on solving real problems. The biggest mistake a beginner can make is chasing shortcuts instead of skills. AI can help you write. It cannot automatically make you a great communicator. AI can help you brainstorm business ideas. It cannot automatically build customer trust. AI can help generate marketing concepts. It cannot automatically create a loyal audience. Real wealth tends to flow toward people who combine technology with competence. That means learning sales, communication, leadership, critical thinking, financial management, and customer service, while also mastering modern tools. The combination is powerful because it creates a competitive advantage that is difficult to replicate. As we continue, we are going to explore specific frameworks ordinary people are using to transform AI from a fascinating technology into a practical income-generating asset. More importantly, we will examine the mindset shifts required to avoid common mistakes and position yourself for long-term success in an AI-driven economy. Because the truth is simple. The future may not belong to people who merely use artificial intelligence. It may belong to those who understand how to combine artificial intelligence with human intelligence in ways that create extraordinary value for others. At this point, you may be wondering whether artificial intelligence will eventually become so common that everyone will have access to the same advantages. The answer is yes and no. The tools themselves may become available to almost everyone, but the results people achieve will continue to differ dramatically. History repeatedly shows that access to a tool is never the same as mastery of a tool. Think about the internet. Billions of people have access to it, yet only a small percentage have built businesses, created brands, generated wealth, or achieved financial freedom through it. The difference is not access. The difference is execution. The same principle applies to Claude AI. Two people can have the exact same AI tool. One person uses it occasionally for entertainment. The other uses it every day to learn valuable skills, improve productivity, solve problems, create content, help customers, and build income streams. After 5 years, their outcomes may be completely different. This is why the biggest opportunity surrounding AI is not technology itself. The biggest opportunity is becoming the type of person who can leverage technology effectively. One of the fastest growing areas where ordinary people are generating income involves digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products can often be created once and sold repeatedly. Examples include ebooks, templates, guides, educational materials, productivity systems, checklists, worksheets, and online courses. Many people never create digital products because they believe the process is too complicated. They spend months thinking about ideas without taking action. Claude AI can dramatically simplify the planning and organization process. A person with experience in job searching could create interview preparation guides. Someone skilled in fitness could create workout systems. A teacher could develop learning materials. A business owner could package lessons learned through experience. The most successful digital products solve specific problems. They help people save time, save money, reduce frustration, improve performance, or achieve desired results. This leads to an important wealth principle. Money often follows problem solving. The larger the problem you solve and the more people you help, the greater your earning potential may become. Many beginners focus on asking, "How can I make money?" Successful entrepreneurs often ask a different question. They ask, "How can I create value?" This distinction changes everything. When your attention shifts toward helping people achieve outcomes they care about, opportunities begin to appear everywhere. Claude AI can assist with research, planning, organization, and communication, but value creation remains the foundation. Another opportunity involves consulting and advisory services. Many individuals possess valuable experience without realizing it. They have spent years learning lessons through work, business, education, or personal projects. Others are willing to pay for shortcuts that help them avoid costly mistakes. Claude AI can help consultants organize expertise, prepare presentations, develop frameworks, analyze information, and improve client communication. The consultant still provides judgment, insight, and experience. The AI enhances delivery. As technology advances, clients may increasingly value human interpretation rather than raw information. Information is becoming abundant. Wisdom remains scarce. Those who learn how to combine AI efficiency with human wisdom may become extremely valuable. Another emerging opportunity involves building niche communities. The internet rewards trust. People gather around creators, educators, leaders, and experts who consistently provide useful information. Communities can lead to memberships, premium content, coaching programs, events, partnerships, and business opportunities. Claude AI can help maintain consistency by accelerating content planning and audience engagement strategies. Yet trust cannot be automated. Trust is earned through honesty, reliability, authenticity, and long-term value creation. This is why sustainable success requires more than technology. It requires character. Many people searching for wealth focus entirely on tactics while ignoring reputation. Reputation is one of the most valuable assets a person can build. A strong reputation creates opportunities that money alone cannot buy. It attracts customers. It attracts partnerships. It attracts referrals. It attracts trust. Technology can accelerate growth, but reputation determines whether growth lasts. There is another lesson worth discussing. The AI revolution is creating enormous excitement, but excitement alone does not generate results. Action generates results. Every day, thousands of people watch videos, read articles, and consume information about artificial intelligence. Many become inspired. Very few implement what they learn consistently. Knowledge without execution produces little change. Execution transforms knowledge into outcomes. Imagine spending 1 year learning how to use Claude AI strategically. Imagine creating valuable content every week. Imagine developing marketable skills. Imagine building digital products. Imagine helping clients solve problems. Imagine improving productivity every single day. The cumulative effect could be extraordinary. Small actions repeated consistently often create outcomes that appear dramatic in hindsight. Most overnight successes are years in the making. The same principle applies to wealth building. People frequently underestimate what can be accomplished in 5 years, while overestimating what can be accomplished in 5 days. The path to meaningful financial growth is usually less glamorous than social media suggests. It involves learning, practicing, improving, experimenting, failing, adjusting, and continuing forward. Claude AI can accelerate parts of that journey, but it cannot walk the path for you. You must develop the discipline. You must make decisions. You must create value. You must take responsibility for outcomes. Perhaps the most powerful way to think about AI is not as a replacement for human potential, but as an amplifier of human potential. A motivated person becomes more productive. A curious person learns faster. A creative person generates more ideas. An entrepreneur tests opportunities more efficiently. A professional delivers results more quickly. The tool amplifies the user. This is why mindset matters so much. If someone approaches AI hoping to avoid effort entirely, disappointment often follows. If someone approaches AI as a force multiplier for valuable skills, opportunities multiply. The future economy may increasingly reward adaptability. Industries change, technologies evolve, markets shift, consumer behavior transforms. Those who remain flexible and committed to learning often navigate change successfully. Claude AI represents more than a software tool. It represents a glimpse into a future where intelligence can be scaled in ways previous generations could barely imagine. The question is not whether AI will influence the future. The question is how you will respond to it. Will you become a passive observer, or will you become an active participant? Will you spend years watching opportunities pass by, or will you invest time developing skills that position you for growth? The answer may influence not only your income, but also the direction of your entire life. At the end of the day, wealth is rarely created by discovering a secret. It is usually created by consistently applying principles that work. Create value, solve problems, build trust, learn continuously, use technology wisely, think long-term, take action. Those principles were valuable before artificial intelligence existed. They remain valuable today, and they will likely remain valuable long after today's technologies evolve into something new. Claude AI may become one of the most powerful tools available to ordinary people. But tools do not create success. People create success. The individuals who combine intelligence, discipline, persistence, and value creation with the capabilities of modern AI may find themselves operating with advantages that previous generations never had access to. The opportunity is real. The technology is here. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. The remaining question is simple. What will you do next? Because somewhere right now, an ordinary person is learning a new skill. An ordinary person is building a business. An ordinary person is creating content. An ordinary person is helping customers. An ordinary person is leveraging artificial intelligence to improve their future. And in a few years, that ordinary person may no longer appear ordinary at all. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, remember that knowledge becomes powerful only when it is applied. Keep learning, keep improving, keep building, and most importantly, keep taking action. Your future may depend on it.